So welcome students. In this question you're given the trigonometric equation, inverse trigonometric equation, sine inverse of x is equal to 2 sine inverse some number. So this equation has a solution if what is the range of a such that this equation has a solution. So let us for example think a is equal to 1. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So 2 sine inverse 1 is pi. Sine inverse of x is equal to pi. So does it have a solution? No, because sine inverse of x always lies between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. So if 2 sine inverse a is lying outside minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2, this equation do not have a solution. So the range of sine inverse x is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So only if this value lies within the range of sine inverse x, this equation will have a solution. So for this equation to have a solution, 2 sine inverse a has to lie between minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2. So sine inverse of a lies between minus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4. This implies a has to lie between sine of minus pi by 4 to sine of plus pi by 4, that is minus 1 by root 2 to plus 1 by root 2. That means effectively mod a has to be less than or equal to 1 by root 2. So if this happens, this equation will have a solution. Thank you.